everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this cover for my planner using the notebook cover mold that I got from Amazon and some of the sweets themed stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. Now the exact mold size that I used for this project is A5. It fits perfectly on my A5 Filofax clipbook planner, as you can see here. Now the mold set does come with binder rings, so you can actually make your own notebook, but you just have to make sure you make the back side or the back cover. Also, I did have some issues with this project, and I will explain everything towards the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss that. Other than that, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so I just want to come out here to talk about some of the issues that I had with this project. And the first thing is the fact that my piece is completely uneven. It doesn't lay flat, and that's because the mold warped during the curing process. Resin shrinks when it cures, so during the curing process it warped my mold. So to prevent this from happening, I would recommend securing the mold somehow, and also use resin that has little to no shrinking. Another issue that I had was the fact that I used clear tape to secure the letters, because I forgot that clear tape is made out of polypropylene and resin does not stick to this type of plastic. So the thin layer that was behind the tape completely peeled off. So the back looks really bad. So to avoid this, I would recommend using tape that's made out of paper, or like washi tape, or even masking tape. So don't use the clear tape. Alright, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, consider subscribing and make sure to hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!